Hi everybody.
Hi.
Week 7. This is Mia. She's going to do a project with us today. So is Jake. So is Brianna, but she is running away. She doesn't want to be on camera. But for a tessellation, the definition is on the assignment. It is a shape that's repeated over and over again with no overlaps and no gaps. So the first step is to start with a shape that already tessellates, like a rectangle or square or hexagon, triangle or trapezoid, and then make 2 cuts. If you watch the other videos, you'll see how you can do that and put them together. Here's the shapes that we're gonna start with. We have this one, starting with a rectangle. We're going to cut those 2 pieces out and tape them on the opposite sides. Then we have this one, 2 triangles. And we're going to tape them on the opposite sides. Brianna, there's her hand, is going to do this one, which is difficult, but it is traced off the internet onto her computer screen. They don't work quite as good unless you're super careful. So be extra cautious if you're going to trace one. Okay, we have some examples of some tessellations here. That one turned out to be Perry the platypus.
Yeah.
This is the one Mia is going to try to do. It is a dog. I did this one. It started as a hexagon, turned out to be a moose. Well, lots of different mooses. Mice, mooses, something. Okay, I'm just going to rip through a bunch of examples here. A dinosaur. A fidget spinner. A flower, kind of. That's like a diamond started. This one is a lizard. Kind of.
Yeah.
This one's super difficult, and lots of it is from the coloring on the inside, but it's a seahorse. Some of them are nothing at all. They don't have to be anything. Yeah, this one's close to the one Brianna's going to do. This one's really difficult. Takes a long time, a lot of patience, because there's lots of spots to screw up. But this is a snowflake. Okay, this is a cat. This one is a hummingbird and a flower.
That's nice.
Okay. This one might be what Brianna's doing. Maybe that one doesn't actually work out because there's a triangle gap. We'll see if hers works out when she's done. I don't know. That one's a fish. This one started as a post-it note. The post-it note we did. Is this the right? Yeah, that's the right one. Okay, so I still have these shapes. And that one, some people did a fish out of it or a leaf. Okay. But again, they don't have to be anything, but it kind of is cool if they are something. This one is like a wolf howling. We got some elephants, some nothing, a fox, a dancer. That one's like a throwing star. It's like an octopus. This one's a cow. We were pretty happy with the cow. This one is a cat or an owl. That one could be like sailboats or a hat. This one is a seahorse again or a pig.
It looks like a pig.
Arrows. Okay, you get the idea. Some turtles. Okay, so your project. Start with the shape that tessellates. Make 2 cuts in that shape and tape them on the opposite sides. Then try to trace it around the paper so it does not have any overlaps or any gaps. Then color it. Post a picture to your class page in the messages so we can all see it. If that's not going to work out, then send it to me and I'll try to get it so at least other people can see your picture as well. I will post some pictures of my kids' when they're done. Hopefully in a little while, but we'll see. That is all I have. Talk to you later. Bye.